Hello everyone, and today's going to be a drawing video of how to draw a Stegosaurus. I think I already showed you guys how I drew it in my other sketchbook, my sketchbook tour video. But this I'm going to do like a standalone video of how to draw a Stegosaurus and stuff. So I'm going to start off with the head. I usually do all my dinosaur drawings. I usually start off with the head. Let's see. I just start off with the head and stuff. Let's see. Fix the camera a little bit. I'm going to see. We're going to draw the body first before I draw what the Stegosaurus is known for, which is his body plates. Plates. I'm going to draw his tail. It's a long tail too. It's a long dinosaur tail. And I'm going to like draw his I'm going to draw his legs. Draw his another leg. No, I'm going to draw the legs longer because the legs are usually longer on the Stegosaurus. And I'm going to draw the rest of his tail, and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to draw the back plates now. Wait, draw the eyes. Yep. And I'm going to draw its back plates first. At the front of its head, it has these small back plates, and when its back arches, as the Stegosaurus back arches, the plates get larger. Well, I could draw large back plates like this. Let's see. Now I'm going to draw them bigger. And his back plates get smaller as the tail arches. Nah, this is like spikes. There's a certain symbol when it comes to his back plates. And I'm going to like draw the spikes on his tail. I guess he uses these spikes to defend itself from the back from other predatory dinosaurs. He has these spikes on his tail. Yep. Let's see. Draw his. Yep, that's the Stegosaurus. If you guys like my drawing, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. You want to see more of these type of videos and stuff. So that's it.